Hello. Right, how to open a Thai bank account in a dodgy way. Your favorite word, dodgy way. Look, you go to Bangkok Bank, okay? To all of them, you just find all the branches on the island, let's say in Phuket, go in the one in Geelong, go the one in Kamala, and literally you say you really need a bank account, you're happy to pay for the insurance, and I can guarantee you for 10,000 baht, you can open Thai bank account without appropriate visa. If you go to the big branches, like if you go to, say, Central Shopping Mall, they've got the entire floor dedicated to banks. It ain't gonna happen. And all the other banks, they're a little bit more strict. For sure, if you get a chance to get the right visa, then do open Thai bank account. Like I've got one now, so if I do any type of business that I don't wanna use my UK bank accounts, then certainly any transfers can be done to Thai bank account. My face is still swollen. I look like I've got something in there. My mom is laughing that I've got the food, that I hide the food and I eat at night. She's proper taking the piss that I'm constantly eating. I'm actually going to go and see a doctor because I think I've got an issue. I overeat, or I don't have an understanding of when I'm full. I'm just eating. So there must be, it could be to do with iron. This could be, calcium as well, I've heard. So maybe I need to do some follow-up testing to see what problem I have to stop me eating like a pig. If you can relate to this, comment below. Anyway, I hope it's helpful. Let me know if you managed to get an account with Bangkok Bank. Glad this video is not available to anyone else because I'll get in trouble. And if you feel that someone else can benefit from joining my membership club, the Kica Club, to be one of us, then please give them a link. Ask them to subscribe so we can all be in one big YouTube family. And hopefully I will plan the event in 2024 where we can all meet face to face. Hopefully I'll lose weight before then as well.